Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hi, Daniel. It's so nice to see you. What brings you to the farmer's market today?
Hey, Sophia. I thought I'd take a stroll and pick up some fresh produce. How about you?
Same here. I love supporting local farmers and getting the best ingredients for my meals. Have you tried the apples from that stall over there? They're amazing.
Not yet, but I'll definitely check them out. Thanks for the tip. So, how's your week been so far?
Busy as always, but I'm trying to find balance. Work has been hectic, but I've been making time for hobbies and self-care. How about you?
Pretty much the same. Juggling work and personal life can be a challenge, but I'm managing. Hey, have you been reading any good books lately?
Yes, actually. I just finished this captivating mystery novel. It had so many twists and turns, I couldn't put it down.
Sounds intriguing. I'll have to add it to my reading list. By the way, did you hear about the new restaurant that opened downtown?
Yes, I saw the reviews online. People are raving about their seafood dishes. Maybe we should check it out together sometime.
That sounds like a plan. I'm always up for trying new cuisines. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really, just going to relax and catch up on some errands. Maybe do some gardening if the weather cooperates. How about you?
I'm thinking of going for a hike with a few friends. It'll be nice to get some fresh air and exercise. Maybe you'd like to join us?
That sounds lovely, but I might have other plans. I'll let you know if anything changes. So, what are you planning to cook with the vegetables you're buying today?
I'm thinking of making a hearty vegetable stew. It's perfect for chilly evenings and packed with nutrients. How about you?
I'm planning to make a colorful salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers. It's light and refreshing, perfect for summer.
Sounds delicious. Maybe we can exchange recipes sometime. So, what do you feel like doing now?
How about we grab some freshly squeezed juice from that stand over there and find a cozy spot to sit and chat?
Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
Liam, is that really you? I can't believe it.
Emma? Wow, this is incredible. I never thought I'd run into you here.
It's been ages. How have you been?
Life's been a roller coaster, but I can't complain. What about you?
Do you remember the time we went on that road trip? It feels like a lifetime ago.
Of course. We had so many adventures and mishaps. Like the time we got lost in that small town.
And the locals gave us directions in the most confusing way possible. Good times.
So, what have you been up to all these years?
After college, I worked in marketing for a while, but I recently switched to photography. It's my true passion.
That's amazing, Emma. I've been working in finance, but I've been thinking of pursuing my love for painting.
You should go for it, Liam. Life's too short to not do what you love.
Emma, remember how we used to play guitar together?
How could I forget? We spent hours composing silly songs and dreaming of starting a band.
I still play occasionally. Do you still have your guitar?
Absolutely. Maybe we can jam sometime, like old times. Liam, I want to apologize if I ever hurt you back in the day. I was young and naive.
Emma, no need for apologies. We were both figuring things out. Besides, it's water under the bridge.
Thank you, Liam. I'm glad we can reconnect and put the past behind us.
Emma, let's not wait another decade to meet again. How about grabbing a coffee this weekend?
I'd love that, Liam. It's time to create new memories and continue this friendship.
Agreed. I'm looking forward to it.